Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply artistic effect to your picture in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Word and as you can see, I have added a picture to this document and I'm going to show you how we can apply artistic effect to this picture. First of all, I'm going to click on the picture and then we can go to the picture format. And then we can select artistic effect right here, and as you can see we will have a lot of effects we can apply to our picture, and I'm going to try for example this one, line drawing. Okay, and this is how the effect looks like, and I'm going to try the other one. I'm going to try cement. Okay, and let's try pencil grayscale. Alright, and you just need to select the effect which is suitable for your picture. And okay guys, that's all the way to apply artistic effect to our picture in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.